Yeah, what's up?
Hey, hey.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Don't touch my property.
You about to get your ass beat. Now you about to get beat up. Yeah, now you about to get beat up. Now you about to get beat up. What's up?
You don't touch my property.
I don't give a
You don't buy it. You don't buy it.
I don't give a
For it.
You know
I work hard for it.
You're not in the middle of nowhere.
So
What's up? Hell no.
So like this.
You can kick us out in the middle of the thing? Are you stupid? I really have to like do something.
Did I told you to get out in the gas station? You didn't.